Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Google Play, manage apps and subscriptions step by step clearly. First, unlock your Android phone or tablet and make sure you are connected to the internet. Open the Google Play Store app by tapping the Play Store icon on your home screen or app drawer. If you see a profile picture or initial in the top right corner, you are already signed in. If you do not see a profile icon, tap the Sign In button on the Play Store start screen. Choose the Google account you want to use if it is already listed on your device. If your account is not listed, tap Add Account and select Google. Enter your Gmail address or phone number, then tap Next. Type your password carefully, then tap Next again. Complete any verification steps, such as a code sent to your phone, if Google asks for it. Accept the Google terms and privacy prompts to finish signing in. Return to the Play Store homepage and confirm your account by tapping the profile icon at the top right. In the Account menu, tap Manage Apps and Device to access app management tools. Tap Overview to quickly check updates, storage, and device status. Tap Manage to see the full list of installed apps on your device. Use the filter or sort options to find apps by name, recently updated, or size. Select an app to view details. Then tap Update if an update is available. To update multiple apps, go to the Updates Available section and tap Update All if you prefer. To remove an app, select it from the list and tap Uninstall. Then Confirm. To manage your Google Play subscriptions, tap the profile icon again in the top right. In the menu, tap Payments and Subscriptions to open billing and subscription settings. Tap Subscriptions to see all active and expired subscriptions linked to your Google account. Tap a subscription to view the renewal date, price, and payment method. To cancel, tap Cancel Subscription and follow the on-screen reasons and confirmation steps. To change your plan, tap See More Plans if the subscription offers alternative options. To update how you pay, go back and tap Payment Methods to add or edit a card, bank, or PayPal. To check purchase history, tap Budget and History to review charges and past transactions. If you use multiple Google accounts, switch accounts by tapping the small arrow next to your email in the profile menu. Finally, double-check you are on the correct account before installing apps or changing subscriptions. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.